silly. I told them one thing like this. Now, what you got to read them for cooling. What I you went there, Yamachi Punu, and I will put up with Yamachi. They said the air, whoever you catch is the one you see. Who are they calling me uncle? I don't know. What's the one could be to Molana? Sometimes I don't desire. That one whose mouth can talk. When you go away from me, baby, I go crazy. You're the one who looks like you. Baby girl. I saw I love you for real. Pretty girl. That's why I'll give you the Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your presence. Thank you so much.